Today, let's prepare an easy, instant, healthy, protein rich, nutritious mixed veg egg bites. We can serve this either as a snack or as an instant breakfast. Hi, welcome to Ambika Shitty's kitchen. To prepare this instant egg breakfast, firstly in a pan we take 1 tablespoon of butter and 1 tablespoon of oil, and then we add 1 finely chopped onion into it. We're going to stir fry it for about 2 to 3 minutes or until it becomes soft and pink, and then we are going to add half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. We'll mix this well. Now we're going to add vegetables. Firstly, we add 3 tablespoons of fresh green peas, and then 3 tablespoons of carrot finely chopped, half cup of cabbage that is finely chopped, half cup of beans again finely chopped. We are going to mix it well, and we are going to stir fry these vegetables for about 1 or 2 minutes on medium flame. After roasting it for 2 minutes, we are going to add half cup of mushroom again finely chopped, and then half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of chili powder and a pinch or 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric powder. We are not going to add too many masala powders into this. We'll keep it very simple yet tasty and healthy. We're going to mix it well and cook on low to medium flame for about 4 to 5 minutes. Vegetables need to be little crunchy. We're not going to cook it until soft. Only then it's going to taste well, as well as it remains healthy and nutritious. So we are going to transfer this veg mix into a bowl. We'll cool this slightly, and then we're going to add eggs into it. You can add either 4 or 5 eggs. Here I have added 5 raw eggs. We'll mix this again. Before that, we are going to add a pinch of salt and a pinch of pepper powder. We'll mix this well. Our egg batter will be ready. And finally, we are also going to add coriander leaves, about half cup of finely chopped coriander leaves. We'll mix this well again. Batter is ready. Now we'll take a nappe pan and we'll fill the cavities with few drops of oil, and then we'll fill it with the batter. Once all the cavities are filled with the egg batter, we're going to cook it on low flame. It hardly takes 1 minute on each side to get cooked, and then we're going to flip it and cook on the other side too. And as I said earlier, you can serve these egg bites as a quick evening snack or as an instant morning breakfast, along with a cup of soup or a glass of juice or a glass of milkshake. I hope you have liked today's tasty, nutritious protein breakfast cum snack mixed veg egg bites. I'll be back with yet another interesting recipe. Until then, you take care of yourself, be happy, stay healthy. Bye.